Beautyconsultants.
Well, it's summertime, and that only means summer blockbuster movies. And in almost all summer movies, there's a bonfire scene.
So we're going to show you how to dress and how to look for your bonfire party.
Yay!
Tip for a bonfire.
Number one, it is a bonfire, so don't forget the wood. You don't want your bonfire party to end short because you have no more wood left for the fire, so make sure you bring plenty.
And second, I know you guys out there think you're all macho and everything, but it gets so cold at the beach, like really, really cold. So just bring a jacket or a sweat top just in case. You might need it.
Yes. And number three, bring the fold-up table for the food. I mean, we went to a bonfire a couple weeks ago, and it was so useful that someone brought a fold-up table because then we can place all our hot dogs, our hamburgers, our, all the junk food and all the yummy food from the barbecue onto the table.
So, I noticed also it helps keep the sand away from the food.
Yeah, you don't want to be eating anything with sand in it.
So there's a useful tip for a bonfire. Thank you so much for watching.
And don't forget to Instagram us at #Fancei. We would love to see your photos. Bye-bye.
Bye.